LinkedIn says its tagline is your network is your net worth. The more people you know, the better it is. That is what LinkedIn's slogan. So having a LinkedIn profile today is must, but again understand, all of you are having your cell phones, right? Let us do a quick check. File is 100% or not complete. That's the first thing you need to check. And if it is not done, it doesn't make any sense when you post 1,000 things on LinkedIn. Right. So very important is your profile should make complete sense and should be complete in all respects. Let us have a live demonstration. So first you go to Google, write down get LinkedIn SSI scores, SSI. On Google, search LinkedIn SSI scores. Alright. And once you are done with LinkedIn SSI scores on Google, click on that link. And once you get the link, just scroll down the page. And you will get a link called Get Your Scores Now. Get Your Scores. Click on that link. And that link would ask you for your login, user ID and password. Just put in your login, user ID and password. And it would show you a circular, like shape, which will talk about your scores, where you stand. And once you give that, go down, you'll be able to see your score. There would be a round circle and it would show you your scores based on 4 important parameters. This would show you where you actually stand in terms of LinkedIn. How's your LinkedIn profile doing? Whether actually you are really making sense, your presence is making sense on LinkedIn. Yesterday somebody did that, he got 2 out of 100. So let's see what your scores. That's very important to understand. So any scores beyond 60, LinkedIn SSI scores beyond 60 is good. So try and understand. It means where you stand and how much you need to improvise. There here, this side, audiences. Scores मिला आप लोगों को? पहले scores निकालेंगे फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Scores मिल गया आपको? खुश हैं? Alright. So get your LinkedIn scores. That's very important because हम लोग सोच रहे हैं, हम लोग बहुत सोच रहे होंगे कि मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा स्कोर है, बहुत सारा फॉलोअर है, मैं डेली पोस्ट करता हूँ, दिस दैट ऑल दैट. बट एक्चुअली जब LinkedIn SSI करेंगे तब पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअली मेरा LinkedIn प्रोफाइल का वैल्यू क्या है. दैट वी वुड ओनली कम टू नो व्हेन वी सी द SSI scores. So my scores after I think being active on LinkedIn for 4-5 years, my scores are only 72 right now. So think that how much you need to work on. And see, once you get your scores, there are 4 important elements if you see. These 4 important elements are establish your professional brand. The first point, if you have got your score. Second is find the right people. Third is engage with insights. And fourth is build relationship. So your scores are based on these 4 parameters. When I initially opened a LinkedIn page, मैंने जब LinkedIn page start किया, मेरे को बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट था क्या कि कनेक्शंस होता है ना, मेरे इतने कनेक्शंस हैं. सो आई हैड 30,000 कनेक्शंस. मेरा 30,000 कनेक्शन, जो भी मेरे को फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजा मैं सबको एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, या तो मैंने खुद भेज दिया कि मेरा जल्दी मेरे को 30,000 बनाना है. और उसके बाद मैंने जब SSI स्कोर किया, स्कोर्स वहां पे है ना, कनेक्शन मीन्स विथ whom you are connected. That's also very important. तो उसके बाद मैंने क्या स्टार्ट किया, समर क्लीन, विंटर क्लीन, स्प्रिंग क्लीन. नहीं समझ में आया? जब मैं LinkedIn पेज में गया, आधा लोगों को निकाला अपने पेज से, बिकॉज दे वर नॉट मेकिंग सेंस फॉर मी. सपोज फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आई एम इन HR और मेरे साथ जो कनेक्ट कर रहा है वो सुपर इंजीनियर है, दूर तक रिश्ता नाता नहीं है. द स्कोर कम्स डाउन एंड डजंट मेक योर नेटवर्क वैल्यू हायर. इट डजंट इंक्रीजेस योर नेटवर्क वैल्यू, सो इट डजंट इंक्रीज. सो दैट्स द रीजन व्हाट आई डिड इज, मैंने स्प्रिंग क्लीन करूंगा तो 500 लोग को निकाल दूंगा मेरे प्रोफाइल से, रिमूव कर दूंगा, फिर और 1000 लोगों को निकाल दूंगा. दैट इज व्हाट, एंड दैट इज अ वेरी टीडियस जॉब. It's very important that you connect with the right kind of person on LinkedIn. That is most important. So, पता चला तो सबको स्कोर दिखा. Anybody else who has got a score above 40? 40 के ऊपर किसी का स्कोर है? Please raise your hands. अच्छा, okay. Very nice, interesting participants. No one. No one. Now let us understand that once you understand your SSI, that's very important where you need to work. And the other thing on LinkedIn is called as LinkedIn algorithm. I'm not going through the slides, I'm telling you the practical things. The other thing what it happens on LinkedIn is called as LinkedIn algorithm. Now what it happens once you post some content on LinkedIn, जब आप LinkedIn में कुछ पोस्ट करते हो, LinkedIn itself divides into 4 categories. उसको 4 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर देता है. And then accordingly, if the post is really good, LinkedIn AI algorithm works to boost that post itself, or else it would flag it और फ्लैग करके रख देगा अलग. So it also depends that what is that you are posting on LinkedIn, whether it will really get traction or it would become all subtractions. Getting my point? This is not my scores. I want to be somewhere, beyond 90, but I'm still struggling. I'm being at 70 and still struggling. And so earlier, I think before 2 weeks, my scores were 70 and now it is 72. But it's actually, you'll have to put your hard work, smart work in a picture so that you get a better scores on LinkedIn. So see, what are the few things which are important? This is a profile, likes. What do you think are very important on LinkedIn? One or two things which are very important on LinkedIn. What do you think? One or two things which are very important on LinkedIn. What do you think? Just let give your answers, whatever, whether right, wrong, doesn't matter. What do you think is one or two important things are really important on LinkedIn? Ronali, I want to say.
Connection.
C says connections. Alright. Connection, content, and what else? Profile photo. Alright. Profile photo. So, with a guldasta, with a flower bouquet, headshot. You'll kill Bill. Alright. So, he's right. So, the first very important thing. So, what happens when you see a person for the first time? आप जब किसी को पहले देखते हो तो क्या देखते हो? उसका? उसके बाद आप डिसाइड करते हो इससे बात करना है कि नहीं करना है ना? So you see the appearance. उसके बाद बोलने के बाद पता चलता है बंदा इंटेलिजेंट है, वो सुपर इंटेलिजेंट है या गधा है. So that's a different thing. और बाद में पता चलता है. Now let us understand the first thing is headshot, and it should be your headshot, not full shot. I've seen many people, like they will be standing and besides a river, behind their river, side में like banana tree. So not the right picture. The first thing recruiter would see and reject it. So very important is your headshot. So for 1 month, you can have LinkedIn Premium account free of cost. Then it is paid. So you can always, try it. And 1 month when you take premium LinkedIn free or LinkedIn courses, it comes free of cost. So you can log in, get into the course, get the certificate and all that. And it's all free of cost. Additional informations, groups, influencers. So your priorities, the first thing is your top fold, your headline is very important. 120 characters for your information. Second thing is your summary. So you get around 2000 characters to write your summary. Your summary has to be excellent. It's a selling summary. It has to be a selling summary. Experiences, if you have anything else. So the first very important thing on LinkedIn is your best photo forward. Right, your headshot has to be an excellent headshot on a LinkedIn. Write a headline, that's you all, 120 characters, your summary segment, credibility, recommendations, your career page, and you should make your LinkedIn so that people would be able to find you. For an example, tell me that when you post on LinkedIn, how many hashtags should be there? How many hashtags on your LinkedIn when you post something? How many hashtags? Any idea? Let us start from 1. 1, alright, I said 1. How many hashtags on your LinkedIn post? 12? 2? 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. He's saying how many? 3. 8 to 10. Alright, 8 to 10. Yes. How many hashtags on a LinkedIn post? He's saying 8 to 10. आप लोग कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ तो करेक्ट होगा. 13. 3 to 5. Alright, superb. What else? 3 to 5, and then anything else beyond that? So at least 3, maximum 8. And key hashtags, that's very important. So earlier when I used to post, I used to put on 50 hashtags with the thought that it will become searchable for people and people would be able to search. And later on I could understand, no, it doesn't work. So please ensure should be 3 to 8 max to max, not more than that. Okay, moving ahead. So headshot we discussed. Eye-catching headline, 120 characters. Example, advertising sales representative helping clients create winning brand strategies, over 300 successful clients. Eye-catching, a kind of eye-catching headline. Craft an interesting summary, 2000 characters. That's what you have to utilize. Highlighting your experiences, visual, very important, your background page of your photo. Wherever you have photo headshot, no? Beyond that, you also have to work on your background page. Headshot का जो पीछे वाला page है, that's called as the background page. It should be very nicely being crafted and designed. If you could see, my background page, I've customized it very well, which suits to my profession and the job I'm into. Now the next thing, let's get into the next important element, and customizing your URL. So if you know it's okay, or else I'll help you to customize your URL. That's very important. Alright, making connections, recommendations which we discussed. Yeah, keeping your page active. So you should, post something on LinkedIn. That's very important. Very important is, posting on your LinkedIn page. But again, remember, LinkedIn algorithm. So if you go and do a Google research, you'll find out that what days to post on a LinkedIn and what time best suits any LinkedIn post. उसका timing भी है, कौन सा दिन post करोगे वो भी है. These are all part of LinkedIn algorithm. And that is how your post gets engagement, impressions, likes, shares. That's again very important. Now, what to post on LinkedIn? You could have seen that LinkedIn is, do you know what is the tagline of LinkedIn? Any idea what is the tagline of LinkedIn? LinkedIn's tagline, slogan, whatever you say. Any idea? LinkedIn says its tagline is your network is your net worth. Your network is your net worth. The more people you know, the better it is. That is what LinkedIn's slogan. And I don't know how many of you know that I'm the founder for LinkedIn Locals Bhubaneswar. So we are going to start a LinkedIn Local Bhubaneswar RCM chapter. Right. And all of you can be a member of it. We'll do lots of events and activities. We'll connect with LinkedIn US, LinkedIn Uganda, LinkedIn American as well. Right. So that is how the power of LinkedIn. So let us understand that, so when I'm talking about LinkedIn, so it says that your network is your net worth. The more people you know, the better it is. And today life is all about. The more connections you have, the better life. The better growth you would have. The better help you'll have. Right. So let us understand what are the few things you can post on LinkedIn. Right. So if you see, there are 24 content ideas. What should be posted and shouldn't be posted on LinkedIn. There are 24 content ideas. Right. But anyways, your first project, your favorite trend, domain of interest, these are few things which you can post. See, the first thing is not to post ज्ञान वाला post on LinkedIn. Nobody would like it. अब देखो, LinkedIn is all about constant experimentation. Experimentation ही करते रहो. But understand कि अभी मैं ज्ञान वाला post करूंगा, likes हो गए 50. I posted something else about human skeleton and the skeleton of a dog. It got around 1,000+ likes. So पहले आपको क्या करना है? Audience pool करना है आपके LinkedIn page पे, base बनाना है, and then you start, pitching, selling, branding, promoting yourself. That would work later. But the first thing is having an audience pool. पहला audience pool होना चाहिए. People should be visiting your page. That's most important. And that's the reason. What should you post? Content which are really can impress audiences. Content which brings emotions, feelings of people. That would get traction immediately. So these are few things which you're gonna do. Your projects, your assignments, your biggest challenge which you have faced, failure. Even you can post a failure and how did you become successful. Blogs, case studies, failure, success, bite-sized videos. These are called as, on LinkedIn, these are called as native videos. Native, you record something, post it on LinkedIn. But it should also make sense. It's not something, posting anything else will get impressions, engagement on LinkedIn. It will not work. How fun? So the question which I've already asked you, growing engagement, very important. All-star profile, it's all complete profile, headline packed with value, keywords, hashtags. So these are few things which you should always include when you post on LinkedIn, right? And the success mantra on LinkedIn is this: consistent experimentation. That helps you on LinkedIn. The more you experiment, the better profile you'll have. And that is how I have reached a score of 72 SSI. So hashtags, tagging people. Hashtags we discuss. Tagging people. When you post something on LinkedIn, you can tag people, but you have to tag the right person. Now, for an example, I posted something and then I'm tagging someone who's not the right person and he's not into my connections. First thing is, you'll not be able to tag people who might not be into your connections, but those options are there, settings are there where I can, like make settings that if somebody else is not in my connection shouldn't be able to tag me. Or if it's an open setting, anybody can tag you. But understand now, suppose she posts something and tags me and I'm not the right person. I'll go back to you and ask, why did you tag me? Right? So you'll have to ensure that you tag the right persons. So, like I think before a week time, we did a session at OHub. I did a session on OHub for the entrepreneurs on LinkedIn for business. So I tagged everyone. I tagged, OHub Odisha, Government of India, Startup Projects, Invest Odisha, and everybody who was relevant to be tagged in the post. That's very important. So how LinkedIn algorithm, this is very important for you to understand. So anyways, anytime you post on LinkedIn, so what it happens, LinkedIn will decide it whether it's spam, low quality or approved. अंडरस्टैंड आप जो भी लिंक्डइन में पोस्ट करोगे, लिंक्डइन उसको 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर रहा है. सो वन इज लो क्वालिटी, स्पैम एंड देन अप्रूव्ड. 3 कैटेगरीज में. सो इट डिपेंड्स. इफ योर कंटेंट क्वालिटी इज रियली गुड, लिंक्डइन इटसेल्फ वुड वर्क टू बूस्ट इट. सो सेकंड इज यूजर फ्लैगिंग. यूजर फ्लैगिंग इज हाउ मेनी यूजर्स आर एंगेज्ड. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, वंस यू पोस्ट समथिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन, start sharing with your friends and connections immediately, because first half an hour 45 minutes on LinkedIn is very important. First half an hour 45 minutes on LinkedIन is very important. तो आप कुछ पोस्ट करो LinkedIn में, immediately उसको शेयर करो दूसरे फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप में, नेटवर्क में and all that, because that's create value. And then first is कंटेंट डिसाइड हो जाता है कि वो लो क्वालिटी है, स्पैम है या अप्रूव्ड है. उसके बाद क्या होगा, how many users are engaged on your post. That's very important. And then universal content filtering. So what it happens? So if the users interact with your post content, this filter takes a close look. खुद LinkedIn का universal content filtering है process which filters whatever you posted. Now if it is actually good, it start boosting your post. LinkedIn itself boosts. And then LinkedIn, the fourth is human editors. There are LinkedIn human editors. Then they would try and boost your post if your post is really making sense and it is really really up to the mark, significant. So very important is, for an example, today if you send me a connection request, I may not connect with you. Reason being, so whether you are engaged with my post, why should I connect with you? Because see, I'm already done with 29,999 connections. And one connection मैं ज़्यादा जान के रखा हूँ खाली, so that sometimes I can accept, reject and all that. So I'll not be able to accept more people into my connections. And suppose if I have to connect Mukul, so I'll have to remove someone. किसी को remove करके उनके साथ connect. But to connect with him should also make sense to me, right? So understand that people, like those maybe at a very senior profile, CHROs and all that, they will not just connect with you unless until you do not engage on their posts. If I see that girl is every day posting, engaging on my post, definitely I'll try and connect with her. Definitely I'll write a recommendation for her. So that's how. Write a comment on someone's article, post, write your own posts, create a video, make a poll. It's very important. I don't know how many of you create polls. Have you ever created poll on LinkedIn? Poll create किया हो कभी? करो. It's really, this is one of the tools which can ditch LinkedIn algorithm. This is one of the hacks of beating LinkedIn algorithm. Please create polls. That gets a very good kind of impression, engagement on LinkedIn. Create polls. And polls पे create करने की टेक्निक है. कैसा poll create करोगे so engagement अच्छा आएगा. I created a poll, I think long back. It got 1099 votes. Depend करता है कि आप क्या poll create कर रहे हो. Okay. These are all 10 ways to hack. You can take a screenshot. 10 ways to hack the LinkedIn algorithm. अब LinkedIn algorithm को क्या, ये बड़ा interesting slide है. I think this is a celebrity slide because everybody is taking a photograph of it. So how do you hack LinkedIn algorithm? LinkedIn algorithm को beat कैसे करोगे आप? So I'm not getting into details. So in case you want more information on all that, we can connect after the session is over. This is a challenge for all of you. How many of you are serious about your LinkedIn profile? Please raise your hands. How many? If you are serious, then only you raise. If you're not serious, please do not raise your hands. How many of you are serious? For people, those who are really serious, and you people have to be. So people, those who are really serious, for them it's a 45-day challenge. So you can work on it and come back to me. And let's see that what has worked for you and what hasn't worked for you, right? Because there is no point, there is no point for sitting here for 1.5 hours and doing nothing. So if you really want to build, so if you're not on Instagram, it's okay. If you're not on a Facebook, it's okay. If you're not on Twitter, it's okay. But if you're not on LinkedIn, it's not okay. You have to be on a LinkedIn. It's a professional network. Facebook में आप क्या करते हो? नदी में तैरते रहते हो, आप Facebook पे डाल देते हो. You cannot do that on LinkedIn, right? It's a professional network. So the challenge is, let me show you all together. You can take a screenshot. What's the challenge for you? 15 days का challenge है आपके लिए. Action plan, rather action plan. So first 15 days, what you're gonna do is find your LinkedIn objective. Why are you on a LinkedIn? Answer what, why, and how. Keep making changes. See top profiles and influencers. Top profiles क्या है? Influencer क्या है? What they are doing good, what you are not doing. उन लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आप लोग क्या नहीं कर रहे हो. So do a comparative study, right? And next 15 days, rework on your LinkedIn profile. Target specific detailed comment, at least 5 comment per day. Go to the post of 5 people. But कैसे करेंगे? See, what I generally do, my content strategy, my strategy on LinkedIn. Now suppose, say for an example, Girija has posted something. उन्होंने कुछ पोस्ट किया है. And मैं देखा कि उनके पोस्ट पे 1000 likes है और 100 comments. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? उस पोस्ट पे कमेंट करूंगा. Why? LinkedIn is very viral. So once I post something, now please understand, guys, this is serious, something serious we're discussing. Now suppose once I post on his post, what would happen? Now suppose Girija has got 15,000 connections. उनका 15,000 connections है. मैंने कुछ पोस्ट किया. पहले क्या होगा? जो 100 लोग पोस्ट किए हैं या लाइक किए हैं, 1000 लोग, उनको ऑटोमेटिकली नोटिफिकेशन चले जाएगा. देन उनके जो 15,000 कनेक्शंस हैं, उनको भी नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा कि मैंने पोस्ट किया उनके पोस्ट पे. LinkedIn is viral. But now for an example, suppose somebody else, उन्होंने पोस्ट किया है और उनका लिंक्ड वो लाइक है 5 लाइक्स है, 2 कमेंट है. I'll not go and engage on that post. मेरा विजिबिलिटी कैसा आएगा? So I generally do that strategy. So you'll have to ensure that what you're doing. These are all strategies about how to boost your LinkedIn. The next 15 days. So start publishing 1 post a week, send personalized connection requests, begin at least 1-to-1 conversation, DM. LinkedIn पे DM करिए, message करिए. Now you see that I know that she's a potential recruiter. So I'll start engaging on her post. उनके post में मैं engage करूंगा, post करूंगा. Like I'll start maybe sending messages on LinkedIn. Once he becomes a connection के बाद आप भेज सकते हो. Or else if you have a premium account, you can send a message to anyone. Or else you'll not be able to. And last 15 days, publish at least 2 to 3 posts in a week, 1 article, read profiles, and join groups and follow organizations. Do's and don'ts. This also you take a screenshot. LinkedIn पे आपको क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. What are the few things you should do and what are the few things shouldn't do on LinkedIn. Few checks and which you need to do on your LinkedIn profile and all. I'm winding up soon so that I can take your questions. If you have questions and queries, you can ask.